Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So friends, today I'm here to summarize another beautiful book and the book name is Singing Like a Star and the author of this book is Attire Lingdo. So let's get started. A singer's voice like a sculptor's masterpiece requires consistent practice and refinement through daily vocal exercises. Embrace setbacks as growth opportunities and stay connected to your initial passion for singing. Regular self-evaluation and guidance from a vocal coach are crucial, as is surrounding yourself with a supportive community of singers. Embrace your unique voice, develop your distinct style, and seek performance opportunities to gain experience and confidence. Singing is a lifelong journey of learning and self-discovery, filled with endless potential and artistic evaluation. Singing is a special gift that should be cherished and nurtured. To improve your singing, focus on understanding octaves, vibrato, and proper breathing techniques. Master the three singing ranges: chest voice for low emotional notes, middle voice for smooth transitions, and head voice for high mesmerizing notes. These skills will help you become a star on stage, transforming your love for singing into shining talent. This book also delves into the significance of vibrato and breathing in singing. It emphasizes that vibrato and oscillation of pitch, adding warmth and depth, is closely linked with controlled breathing. The chapter dispels the myth that vibrato is an innate talent, instead highlighting it is a skill developed through practice. Diaphragmatic breathing is underscored as crucial for achieving optimal vocal resonance and control, essential for a compelling performance. Through targeted exercises and conscious breath control, singers can enhance their vocal expressions and emotional impact. This book guides singers on a celestial journey to explore and master the voice. It delves into the chest voice, emphasizing its deep, resonant power and foundational role. Techniques and exercises are provided to develop breath support and articulation. The middle voice or mixed voice bridges chest and head voices, offering flexibility and expressive potential. Exercises focus on blending registers and emotional expression. The head voice is described as an ethereal realm, enabling high, bright notes. Mastery involves precise control and resonance. Practical demonstrations and exercises for each voice register are included to enhance understanding and technique. Discovering your unique singing style is a journey of self-discovery and embracing individuality. Being by understanding your voice's unique qualities and avoiding imitation. Focus on self-reflection, vocal training, and exploring different music genres to broaden your horizons. Embrace imperfections and connect deeply with lyrics to express genuine emotions. Record and critically assess your performances, perform live to build confidence, and stay open to new influences. Develop your style through self-discovery, understanding your vocal range, experimenting with different techniques, and seeking feedback and collaboration for continuous growth. Overcoming stage fright is essential for singers, turning fear into a companion on the journey to artistic expression. Conquering this fear involves through preparation, mindfulness, and embracing imperfections. Techniques like deep breathing, positive self-talk, and gradual exposure to performance situations can help manage anxiety. Building confidence through regular practices, connecting with the audience, and surrounding oneself with supportive mentors and peers also play crucial roles. Ultimately, the stage becomes a canvas for showcasing courage and inspiring others, leading to a confident and successful singing journey. A singer's diet is crucial for optimal vocal performances, akin to high-octane fuel for a race car. Hydration, primarily through water, keeps vocal cords lubricated and healthy, while fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats provide essential nutrition. Practical tips include staying hydrated, choosing room temperature water, and incorporating water-rich foods. Avoid caffeine and alcohol. Personalized dietary plans with nutrient-rich foods help maintain vocal strength, prevent irritation, and ensure sustained energy for performances. Consistency in healthy eating and hydration is key to achieving vocal excellence. Incorporating body movement into singing enhances a performance, making it captivating and emotionally resonant. Effective stage presence involves using parallel gestures to emphasize lyrics, practicing in front of a mirror to align body language with the song's emotions, and strategically moving on stage to engage the entire audience. Confidence, purposeful movements, and stage positioning transform a singer from merely good to truly captivating. This book also explores the profound connection between love and music, emphasizing how love notes and songs convey deep emotions. Love notes' slight deviations from written pitch add emotional nuance and human connection to melodies. This book details the role of love notes in expressing longing, tenderness, playfulness, and passion, demonstrating their universal appeal across genres like opera, jazz, and folk music. Understanding and strategically placing love notes enhance a singer's performance, transforming a song into a powerful emotional experience. So friends, I hope you liked the video and the summary. If you like it, please share with us. Till then, see you in the next video summary. Thank you so much.